Greetings, adventure lovers. We're Roger and Brenda, and Ride Ohio is our passion project where we share our motorcycle experiences. Every mile on the road tells a story.
Welcome to Ride Ohio, a motorcycle travel channel featuring Ohio motorcycle rides, Harley-Davidson adventures, scenic routes, road trips, and real riding experiences from Ohio and beyond. I'm Roger Richardson, and along with my wife Brenda, I share our motorcycle journeys through small towns, back roads, historic stops, beautiful landscapes, and unforgettable destinations across the country. Brenda first started riding with me on the back of my 2004 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy, and now she rides her own Harley-Davidson Street Glide. She may call herself a fair-weather rider, but she has taken on some incredible motorcycle trips, including Sturgis, New England, Key West, Daytona, and the Tail of the Dragon. From local Ohio rides to long-distance motorcycle touring, we enjoy the freedom of the open road and the memories made along the way. On this channel, you'll find motorcycle ride videos, route ideas, road conditions, travel tips, destination highlights, Harley-Davidson rides, and motorcycle road trip memories. We're not professional filmmakers, we're riders who enjoy sharing the journey, the roads, the views, and the places we discover from the saddle. Whether you're looking for new motorcycle routes in Ohio, planning your next ride, remembering roads you once traveled, or just enjoying motorcycle travel videos, we hope Ride Ohio gives you something worth watching. Thanks for stopping by and watching our motorcycle adventures. Please subscribe to Ride Ohio for more Ohio motorcycle rides, Harley-Davidson road trips, scenic motorcycle routes, travel videos, and ride-along adventures. Leave a comment, share your own riding stories, and let us know if you have a route, rally, small town, or destination we should check out next. We appreciate every like, comment, and subscriber, and we're glad to have you riding along with us.